think flies like my bike.
Oh, f***.
Quick, 0 to 100, nigga, real quick.
Nie wiem, ty żywot tvoj. I must get this more out because it shuts down too fast. Turns on like nothing, the lights working. Clutch doing well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, man, I found a great bike. Unbelievable. As you see, sometimes you got just to walk around. Yes, yes.
Damn! The front suspension is really stiff, man. As you know, these bikes really are not for this kind of terrain, but it's not even so bad. The clutch is not even so stiff, you know.
Get through the water.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, man. That shit rides nice. Jesus, that's good. Woo! I was here once, I remember. Oh my god, beauty. Beast beauty, man. Cannot believe I found this bike, man. Fuck yes. Honda, I don't know the year, but it has the this shit, you know, it doesn't have carburetor, what is good. It has very fucking loud exhaust, what is good as well. The tire is good, everything good. Crazy, man. Fuck yes. I mean, I don't know whether the graphics very ugly about this, but we're gonna get some, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Grips are different. It looks like one is missing, but okay. Not bad at all. All I wonder now is where the fuck I got this shit from, eh? Unbelievable, fuck you, eh? Oh, I'm gonna adjust this bitch right now, eh? Easy. Oh my gosh. They just set this for me here. That side, huh? That's gonna be fun. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Welcome home, biatch. I just drink that. That's a gasoline. Oh, nice. Bridge. Oh my god, holy shit, man. Bunch of spruces someone is having this year, man. Oh fuck it. That's a little hard for CRF, man. No joke. From me. No. Man, Honda, you ugly b****. I mean, I'm kidding, but bro, you're fucking over like that. Unbelievable. Sun just went behind the